So here's my Yellow Tea store, and here's my Miva merchant admin. So here I'm in the Yellow Tea admin, and under settings, you go to store settings, and you'll see here I'm set to pounds, inches, state-based sales tax, US currency formatting. If I were to go into my payment and shipping settings, you'll see all these things are configured for my US account. Here though, I have the exact same store, Yellow Tea Canada. You'll see it's got a different logo. It has different products. When I add this to the cart, these all should be in Canadian dollars. And so over here, the way I would administer that is I would click stores, I would click Yellow Tea in Canada. And under store settings, this store is in the metric system. It is using Canadian VAT. And this would have its own shipping, payment, and tax. So you have two totally separate stores within a singular administrative user.